Good morning everyone, we're back on the site, back at the bungalow for another video, and it's a lovely morning this morning. Left it till about 10 o'clock to pop round here, to be honest with you, because I didn't want to wait the neighbours. We've got a lot of concrete going on today, a lot of breaking up of concrete, that is, not concrete, it's breaking up of concrete outside. So I'll spin the camera around in a minute and show you what we're up to. I'll give you a quick tour of inside of progress, and I'll show you how we're getting on. This is our project for today. So tomorrow we've got a mini digger coming. So I'll show you what we're going to do. I'll just spin the camera around. So mini digger's coming tomorrow. So we want the water main dug up here, a trench dug here, from the wall all the way down here to the path there. So this concrete's got to be gummed up here, all along here, all along here. That will be for the water main. This has got to be gummed up here. This is quite thin here, this concrete, and this is rock hard. You can see by the colour of it, it's rock hard. We've got to gum that up there for the Ensuite toilet. I'll show you that in just a moment. This has all got to be gummed up along here. We're going to take the old drains out for now, the old clay drains, take the drains out, and we need to do a hole through the ground there for the new water that's going to come in down here into the Ensuite. Then we're going to take all this up, hopefully. Don't need to go right across, but just that piece there. So that's where we're at the moment. New merchandise, new safety boots, new trousers. I'm ready. All the gear, no idea. Let's pop in quickly while it's quiet. I'll just show you what we're up to at the moment in the property, because some files went a bit ballsed up the other week. Let me spin the camera around and show you what we've got so far. So this mixer here I use on a regular basis just for knocking up small buckets of sand and cement. It's for plastering really, but you get two blades of it. That's for I use that for screed, plaster, sand and cement, ballast. If you're knocking up small batches, that's ideal. So let's have a little scout about. So this is all tidied up now. The electrician's been and tied up that. We've just removed the cupboard here. The electric's all nice and tidy. The floor now where the fireplace was has been concreted in. We just need, and with some damp course underneath that. You can see the plastic poking through there. That's got to be screeded. This room's pretty much ready to go. We've knocked off all the render on the back wall. The electrician's been in, wired it all up, front lights, sockets. Just need to do a little door frame and a corridor there. This is the other bedroom here. It's a bit dark at the moment, we're waiting on the windows to come in. Doorway's blocked up there, that's been concreted there, it just needs screeding. The ensuite here just needs some timbers and some noggins going in. I think my son might do that today, hopefully, or we'll break up the concrete. All the electric's in ready, and that's going to be chopped away there. The breaker I use on a regular basis is Tyson breaker, Screwfix own brand, brilliant they are. This needs to go a little bit bigger, that's the ensuite, so we've got to dig that deeper, so you need to go deep and then out. This will be the utility room. Obviously you've got timbers across here at the moment, but they get cut out for the doorway, that gets cut out for the doorway. And another bedroom there, so utility room here. The electric's coming on, windows going in. Hole in the ground there, we've dug now for the water to stop to come through there, so it's got to go down, out in insulation, and up to the front wall. And then you get the water board then into connect that up. And in the other small bedroom at the moment, I mean these, I'm only showing the rooms at the moment we've been working on. Whoa! Been attacked by a bird. And there is the new, oh that's got me. That's the new loft hatch. Timbers ready to go in. One cock up we forgot to tell the electrician, so the electrician did put the cables across the gap there, but he kindly came back and moved the cables over. So he's done a fantastic job so far, that electrician. So that's pretty much it at the moment, people. We're waiting on the plumbers. I think the plumber's due next week. Electrician's coming back soon. We've got to get these walls finished and get these plasterboards up. We've got to get this trench dug deeper. So, we didn't turn up too early today because you don't have to upset the neighbours, you know, because I'm going to start going up that concrete now. So, the main job today is to smash up the concrete. And it's a Friday, so I just want to get that done quick. Well, not quick because it's a bloody lot of work by the looks of it. And lovely, neat job this electrician's done. Look. I spoke to the electrician briefly the other day, and he was telling me about. I was talking about how many cables and wires we're having nowadays in his properties on a new build and that, on a renovation project like this. He was telling me he went around someone's house, an 85-year-old woman, and she had one of the old-fashioned baker light, I think they were, sockets that went into the light. You didn't have sockets actually in the walls in the old days. You had things that connected to your light with the old iron electric. When the irons first came out, electric irons, you used to plug them into the ceiling into your bulb. When the electrics first came out, I think you didn't have any sockets, unheard of sockets. So, and she still had one apparently, old baker light thing. Anyway, I'm going to turn the camera off for a bit, have a little bit of a break, get the concrete breaker set up, start breaking up this concrete. Hopefully it's going to go okay. It's hard work. I'm hoping that big lump of concrete I showed you outside is only a small bit. I'm hoping it's not all the way down the side of the house. It's not the footings, I think it might be an old path, but not sure yet, we'll see. The top layer comes up lovely. It's the thick layer underneath, which is a bit hard. Like I say, a digger's due in tomorrow to dig the trench, so that'll be another video, I think. Let's crack on, get this gear set up. I'll see you in a bit. It's good weather for it, and I think the bird's gone. Right, let me get this breaker set up, start making some noise. Got my new boots, my new trousers. I suppose a better cushion and better no. Oh well, they look nice as well. For those asking or for those wondering, by the way, this is a Titan breaker. That's Screwfix's own make breaker. So far it's been alright, not a bad price. If you're going to do a lot of work like this, concrete work, breaking up work, you're probably breaking up concrete, you're probably better off buying your own tools and maybe sell them when you finish with them, sell them on. I've had that a couple of years now, and it's been good. Ear defenders in. I left my ear defenders at home, so I've got to use these earplugs at the moment. So let's make a little start on it, see how we get on. Shit.
No, it's not. You just fucking stabbing a spade or something.
Oh, it's really see what it's got. Right, that's most of the breaking up concrete done for the day. That was a lot harder than we thought. Let's have a little look at what we've done. Spin the camera around. So we've done up the concrete here because we're going to dig up here with a digger. Where the yellow line is for the water. Gun up here. This is rock hard, some of this down here. So we've gun up here. We're going to come along here with the digger through there. And I think we're going to take the easy option. We're going to go into there with the soil pipe. Then the water pipe's going to go down here. This is all soft now. Into there, under there for the stopcock. That was a lot harder than we thought, that concrete. It's solid, some of that stuff, so my breaker's not caught up to it. In an ideal world, we'd want a bigger concrete breaker or a point on the end of a digger. We'll take the whole lot up, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to get the water mains in. It's got to be quite deep anyway, so I think it's 700 mil, so it's 750 deep in this area. So we're going to do that, and then obviously that allows space for it's nice and low, stops it freezing up, and it allows space for when they get a path done eventually. We get a path put in properly. So next job now today is to get some screed work done inside, have a tidy up, and then it's beer time for me, I think, and then we're back tomorrow early for the digger. I think the second video tomorrow will be the digger one. That'll be the interesting one. Diggers turn up nice and early, I think. Hopefully we'll be on site nice and early Saturday morning. Breaker will be out, spades and shovels will be out, the digger will be on the site, and we'll have a little go. Hopefully it'll be a nice tidy job, and we can get somewhere then, get the water main in. Then we can start doing some nice easy bits indoors then, because this is a bit of a crappy work outside. No one wants to do this really, so still got to be on the job, still working, not done a pub yet. Let's have a look. Screws this in here, that's all sharp sand and cement. That's done nice. Put 4 living compounds going to go up to the tiles there. And then we're going to tamp it down. And we're screwing the fire pit back. Sharp sand and cement. Throw it out, we're done. Right, that's it, we're done for the day. Right, see you tomorrow then, you two. Right, done for the day. Done that bit. Tomorrow, the digger's here at 8 o'clock, 8 till 9, so it's 4 o'clock, 4:15. I've got to get home, get ready, go down to the pub 4:30. What's all that on there? So there we go. It's a bloody mess, but they're sort of packing away. I've left them to it. Yeah, that'll do. Digger's here tomorrow. Plenty to do tomorrow. I've done the screeding. It's killed me now. I've had enough. Going, nice cold pint. I'll see you in the morning.